Hello, this is Doug McLean, and I'm speaking to you from Laney's Diamonds and Jewelry in Williamsburg, Virginia. In our first video, we looked at the possibility of making some changes to a simple diamond solitaire ring, as you see depicted in the center of our screen. We looked first at a possibility of changing the color and going with a wider ring. Secondly, we looked at the possibilities of adding some gemstones to the side. In this case, we selected sapphires and looking at a slightly different style ring. These are just two of the many different designs you can possibly come up with using the software. And right now I'd like to show you a couple more, perhaps something a little more unique than these. So let's first go back to our gemstones that we were working with. And in this case, we were considering a diamond with a sapphire on the side. And let's go back to our library and look at other styles of rings that we can use. And previously we were looking under shanks. We're going to go into remounts this time, and you'll see we have a wide variety of different looks that we can go to, things that are a little more dramatic. And for our purposes today, let's select this one here. Okay, again, it's a wider ring. It's wider than the diamond, but I think it's going to suit our purposes, so let's take a look at that and bring up our diamonds again. Let's move our sapphire just a little bit more in the center there, so the diamond overlaps it a little bit, and that looks pretty good right where it is. So let's go ahead and combine the gemstones and our mounting, and again we need to mirror our sapphire to the other side, and that's a simple process, and there you go. Here's another look with a wider shank using sapphires on the side. If we like the design, we can do just as we've done previously. We can go in and save that, and I've saved it down here. I'll just write over it again, and we have a new look. Let's take a look at some other possibilities. Again, we'll go back and grab our gemstones. We'll go back and take a look at various styles of rings. And this time I'd like to take a look at the possibility of going to what's called a bypass style ring. And basically the both ends don't meet, as you see depicted here, and we're going to use this particular ring. So let's go ahead and take that. Again, it's called a bypass style, and we'll put it on. As you can see, our gemstones aren't lined up properly, but we can fix that. If we like the overall shape of the ring and its appearance, we can certainly explore the possibilities of where we can put gemstones on it. We're of course going to want to leave our diamond in the center, but our sapphire really needs to be moved. So let's move it over here, and the prongs are a little out of order, so let's rotate them around a bit, and let's change the size of our gemstone a little bit to possibly to accommodate this mounting a little differently. When we get something we like, we again join our gemstones with the mounting, and in this particular instance, switching it over to the sapphire over to the other side is a little more complicated, but it's not too bad. What we have to do is, first of all, is mirror half the ring as we've done previously, and what we do is we go in and we save it in our jaw bag. And what we do is I bring our half of our ring back, and we're going to use these controls here. Once to flip it one way, then the other way. Then we have it where we like it. We again place it on our background, then bring back our other half that we have. And all we have to do is move them and line it up where we want. And we have a bypass ring with two sapphires on the side. And I think that's a pretty look. I'm very fond of the bypass style. Lots of different things we can do with this. I hope you like this look. We will explore other possibilities again in the next video. If you have any questions and you'd like to contact me about designs or concepts, you can reach me at Laney's Diamonds and Jewelry. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.